are many different types of software and tools that can be used to teach learners data skills, some of which you may have used before in other areas of the curriculum. But you don't have to use software. There are many ways you can teach data skills and how to gather and display data using tools that are readily available in your classroom or learning environment.
We've used Google Forms to create surveys and gather data. Learners really enjoyed this because it automatically creates the visualisations as data is entered. They also use Microsoft Excel, and after they enter the data, learners can easily create graphs.
Google Forms and Excel are great tools. So is CODAP, a data analysis tool designed for young learners. It's a really easy software tool that you can use to teach learners about data analysis.
These are all software tools. What are some manual ways we can teach learners about gathering data?
There are many ways you can teach data without using software. To gather data, there could be a chart on your classroom wall where learners place a sticker depending on their height. This is a great activity because you are gathering and visualising the data instantly.
OK, perhaps learners could also do this with counter tokens, trading cards, or even plastic bricks?
Yes, they could. Using everyday objects really helps to make data exciting and accessible for learners. It's also a nice way to collect long-term data. There could be buckets with different modes of transport at the entrance to the school. Every time a new visitor enters, they would put a token in the bucket of the mode of transport they used. This could be counted and analysed over the week, month, term or year.
If learners analyse this over the entire school year, they might find that in the spring and summer months, more visitors walked or cycled to school than used cars or buses.
Exactly. Remember, you don't need to use advanced or complex tools to teach data. There are great software tools for gathering and displaying data, but you can teach learners about data without needing a computer. Data is everywhere, and that means there are interesting ways everywhere to teach about data.
If you found this lesson useful, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on this topic. Check out some of the other videos that we've been working on.